What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today's going to be a little bit different. I actually need y'all's help. If you've been following my channel for a little bit, you would know that my steering in my car, really for the last year, has just been sloppy and progressively getting worse. And honestly, I'm lost for words, and actually countless other people are lost for words too. They don't know what the issue is with their car. I've actually had at least 10 people tell me the same exact thing, how the steering in their car just feels sloppy even though they have replaced all of their inner tie rods, or their inner tie rods, outer tie rods. They've changed all their suspension parts, got alignments done, nothing is working. So I want to know from y'all, what could this possibly be? Because I know there are plenty of mechanics out there, and I'm sure that other Mustang owners have dealt with it, but pretty much what's been going on with me is my steering really feels sloppy, especially at highway speeds. While I'm going down the highway, it feels like my car is going to follow the grooves in the road, and over any kind of bump or anything. I have really bad bump steer, so while I'm going over the bump, it's just my wheel is just completely changing direction, and just even under acceleration, if I punch it, it almost feels like I have to noticeably turn my wheel just to keep it going straight. And one other thing my steering does is it feels like there's a little gray area in my steering, how even though I'm turning the wheel, it's not actually turning in that little area. I thought it could be my wheel bearings, but when I took it to actually 2 different mechanic shops, they told me how nothing is wrong in my suspension, how I'm just kind of telling myself that something's wrong, so that's kind of what I'm feeling. And honestly, it's not. It's gotta be something. Because if there was nothing wrong with my car, I shouldn't have to, turn my wheel anytime I accelerate hard or anything, because I just shouldn't have to do that if nothing was wrong. As far as all the stuff I've replaced, the stuff that I know it's not wrong, I've replaced my lower control arms, my rear lower control arms, I've replaced my shocks and struts, I've got new tires, I've also gotten alignment done. The last thing I'm thinking that it possibly could be, but I just want to get y'all's opinion before I actually do it, is the rack and pinion. That could possibly be something, but I just want to know from y'all, do y'all have any kind of experience with this? Did your rack and pinion fail? What kind of things did y'all notice? Because from what I've read, when the rack and pinion fails, you hear all kind of popping, and mine doesn't do that, so that's the only reason why I'm thinking it could possibly not be that. If it is, hey, I'll get it replaced, but before I spend $1,000 on a rack and pinion between the labor and everything that goes along with it, I just want to get y'all's opinion. And then another thing is the wheel bearings. I was thinking it could possibly be that, but when I got it checked out, both mechanics said that nothing's wrong. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and I will be eternally grateful to you. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.